Alright guys, one of the things I need to do, just as I looked at my boots, is I need to swap out my pads. So these pads on the bottom are removable. Grab a hold of it. And the new ones are nice and fat. Maybe I'll show you guys how this works out. See if you can follow what I'm doing. So I'll do this in the back here. Not the best scenario, but so basically I take my boot, and these pads on the bottom are removable. And my best tool for this is a 5-in-1, I think, or I can't remember what they call them, but a Leatherman. It comes out to a big pair of pliers. The reason why I do that is because that's the way I can get the end started. Because once these things get adhered, they're really hard to come off. They do not come off easily. So, best thing to do is to use this pair of pliers, grab a hold of it, and then give it a big yank. So, yeah, so once you pull that off, you know, they're really holding well, but they're worn out and they're just not sticking anymore, whereas the new ones are nice and fat and thick. They're just going to stick right here. I put the front end first, just line it up perfectly, and then stick it down onto the boot. Now, one thing you want to definitely do is walk around, jump around on the concrete a little bit before climbing up on a roof, just so that that Velcro sticks really good. So the same thing goes for the other one. They're really hard to get off because they've been sticking there forever, but that's where the pliers really come in handy to get it off. Get it started, and then really get a good hold. Get a big yank out of it. Like I said, hey, these things, you know, people wonder, are they going to come off? And I go, well, if it takes that much effort to get it off, I don't think they're coming off on the roof very easily. So sorry for all the car noise. You got a lot of cars coming by here at this house. But yeah, so you just get them stuck on. Make sure they're bedded in nicely. You don't want them rolling off on you because you didn't adhere them well. And then you just jump on them once you put them on your foot. So put your boots on and just stomp on it. Make sure that it's adhered. You gotta remember that Velcro is pretty strong. It's not gonna go anywhere. Now, I've talked about these laces that I use. These are called iron laces. Okay? Best shoelace out there. The boots really tear up shoelaces. If you use like the regular shoelaces, they'll tear them up. But these iron laces, get them on Amazon. There's a link in my description. They're the best. Okay, well, we got our boots on. So again, just I don't know if I can see this, but basically your boots should have a good bit of this foam sticking out past the boot. Otherwise you're worn out. And then just jump around on your toes and your heels, rocking back and forth while you're on the ground, just to make sure those things are secure before you get back on the roof.